If you then panic, you transfer the weight to the back and it overshoots. So for the purpose of this demonstration, the electronic stability control is off because I need to demonstrate what happens when you do something wrong.
Lovely.
Obviously, when you apply full ABS, the stability systems come back in anyway, whether they're deactivated or not. That's the way the electronics work. So for example, if you're driving and you're going quite quickly and you arrive at a corner, and once you fix the vehicle in the corner and you press the throttle, the vehicle's balance is safe, it's stable, both axles are weighted. If you then panic, you transfer the weight to the back and it overshoots, because what happened then, the mass of the vehicle went forwards.
Yeah.
Had I kept my foot on the throttle, it'd have pinned the back of the axle down, and that wouldn't have happened. I'm pinning the rear axle down. If I lift, like there, the back's going to come round, and I have to deal with it. I could have dealt with that in one of two ways.
Okay.
Applying the throttle would have applied weight to the rear axle, it would have stopped doing it. The electronic stability system would have dealt with it for us as well. I could have made it worse by braking then.
Yes.
There, that's about as fast as that will go round there. Got my foot on the throttle.
So you just keep it on?
Yeah, because you're pushing the back down.
Yeah.
Okay? All I've done there is keep the weight on the back.
Exactly.
If we were to demonstrate that with a full ABS stop, I can just steer, because I've kept that weight forwards. So if, for example, I were to apply the brakes and turn, if I keep all of that weight forwards, it was safe and stable, wasn't it?
Yeah, absolutely.
And if we're doing a full emergency stop, as long as we keep that weight off the rear axle, we can put that vehicle wherever we want.
Good.
Because there's no mass there, so that pendulum effect.
Yeah, okay.
If we do that now, and I'll do it, you can do the one with the brakes on, you don't need to do the one with the brakes off, and I lift part way through, you will feel how the transfer of the vehicle changes.
Okay.
So if I now brake here and lift, oh yes, and I had to deal with that. We actually just knocked the ACC out because we got outside of the vehicle's capacity there. Did you feel the way it was coming round? It was going over there. So I'll show you now what would happen if you did this wrong.
Okay.
I've had to deal with that, and I dealt with the pendulum, and we just got it outside of the operating area. I just got a load of errors for the ACC. If I now brake and lift, well, I've had to really catch that. That was me catching that.
Right, yes.
And did you see then I stamped the pendulum as that was going round? We'd have slung in, we'd have gone head first into there. We only had a split second to deal with that as well.
And do we think that that's like a causation factor when people do have collisions?
100%, that is what they've done.
Because they think, I know what I'm doing, and the car's thinking, I know what I'm doing.
No, it's not even that. It's because they're scared of what's happened. Speed's a catalyst.
Yeah.
You've added more energy.
Yes.
If you've got more energy, you've got more force. And that's what we need to do. So if in doubt, brake.
Yes.
Get some of that energy out of the situation.
I'm going to have to change all your settings now to be able to see.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so when you're ready, pull away. It's got normal handbrake, this one, I'm afraid. Yeah. This is very alien, and it's very much more towards the end of the envelope. But this is the reason we do this is because then when you're in an emergency situation, when you've arrived there through whatever reason, whatever external factor, you know what's going to happen. Off the brake at a quarter of the throttle. Keep the throttle on at that. Keep the throttle on, and just steer the car. More throttle, more. Feels stable now. See? Because we pushed the back down.
Yeah.
Right, into the inside lane. Punch it all the way out to 80. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Next gear. Keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Get past the junction. Keep going. Doesn't matter if you're doing more than 80. Right, full brake force. Full brake force. Brake harder, harder, harder. That's nowhere near hard enough.
Oh, there you go, like that. Okay.
Nowhere near hard enough.
No, it wasn't hard enough. Yeah.
It's not as easy as it looks, is it?
No.
Because there's a significant amount of your experience makes you think that doing things extreme isn't a good thing. Whereas in an emergency situation, using the vehicle's systems, the ESP and the ABS, to their maximum capacity, it does really help. So keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Right, bend the brakes, bend it, go on, harder, 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 yank it over there, right over. That's it. You lifted the brakes.
Did I?
Yes, as it slowed down. Now that's the bit when it'll go wrong, because if you did it at speed,
I
there we
didn't
go.
even think I had then.
Yeah, there you go. Happy with that?
Damn it. It's a weird feeling.
But it's good fun.